Welcome to this online course on centrifugal compressors. Centrifugal compressors of various types and applications are encountered nowadays throughout refining, petrochemical, and process industries, as well as in power generation and environmental engineering. This course is designed to provide you with a complete understanding of construction details and functioning of centrifugal compressors. This understanding is a prerequisite for successful and flawless operation of your plant and piping system. The course includes extensive graphics, cut sections, and 3D animations. This will give you a virtual practical exposure on centrifugal compressors. Now, the objective of this course is threefold. 1. Break down for you all the centrifugal compressor operating principles into easily digestible concepts, like fluid head, surge, stone wall, performance curve, and much more. 2. Illustrate with the use of 3D animations and cut sections the main centrifugal compressor mechanical components, like impellers, shafts, bearings, mechanical seals, just to name a few. And 3. Provide guidelines and industry best practices for operation, maintenance and troubleshooting of centrifugal compressors. This course also covers other types of compressors, like axial compressors, rotary screw compressors, reciprocating compressors, just to name a few. The objective is to observe the similarities in both performance and mechanical aspects of various types of compressors. So, by enrolling in this course, you will not only learn valuable information on centrifugal compressors, but also a great deal on other types of compressors. So, with no further ado, check out the free preview videos and the curriculum of the course, then make an informed decision. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you there.